Greeting to one and all. It's the second question in exercise 10.1. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. I start. Draw the line L. So first I just going to draw one line L. So this is the line L. Next, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. So the next, I'm just going to choose one point on the line L and I need to draw the perpendicular line. Okay, so perpendicular line. So in the last class, that means in 6th standard, you know how to draw the perpendicular line. See, fix the needle at the point, I just named the point as P. Fix the needle at P, draw one semicircle which cuts the line at two distinct points. See, this semicircle which cuts the line in two distinct points with P as the center with the convenient radius. So you can choose with any measurement. And that intersection point are marked as A and B. Now take the compass and fix the needle at A. You have to choose the radius which is more than half of the radius. See, I extend the pen tip. See, this is more than half. Okay, more than half of the radius. Now fix the needle at B. Draw an arc. And fix the needle at A. Draw another arc which cuts the previous arc. Now the intersection point. Now the two arcs are cutting each other and mark that point. Now join these 2 points. So that point is a perpendicular line. Now next point, on this perpendicular choose a point X. So in this perpendicular line we are going to choose one more point, that is X. See the next hint what they given, 4 cm away from L. So we have to take that X that is away from L of 4 cm. So now you have to take the compass and measure with the 4 cm as radius. Now fix the needle at P, draw one arc that which cuts the perpendicular line in one point. So from P to that point you have to mention that as X. So from XP is equal to 4 cm. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Yes. So this is the outside point. So for that only they are given. What is the procedure we followed in the first step? We have to do the same procedure for this problem also. Okay, so now listen, I found the outside point. Okay, so which is present outside of the line. After that what I want to do means I have to choose one more point which is present on the line L. I mentioned that point as Y. The same procedure I am just going to follow for this problem also. Okay, have to join X, Y. What is the next step? Fix the needle at Y with the convenient radius. With the convenient radius, fix the needle at Y, draw one arc. With the same radius in your compass, fix the needle at X, draw another arc. See, these arcs cut two distinct, that is one is line and the line segment, and this one is a line segment. Now I just going to mark the naming for that intersection point. Already I finished X, Y, M, N, O. So the intersection point is O for this one. What is the next step? Yes, how to take measurement from M. Yes, M to N. M to N. With that measurement of M to N, fix the needle at O, draw one arc. See, before okay, so with O as the center, you have to take the measurement of M N in your compass. Mn in your compass, take the measurement of Mn in your compass and fix the needle at O and draw one arc which cuts the previous arc. Okay, so now you have to join that 2 point, means that is the parallel line of M. So now I can able to say this line as M. So through X I can able to draw one parallel line which is to L. So L is parallel to M. Hence proved. Thank you.